In this video, we're going to talk about Globus and how to use it, how to install it and use it. Globus is a software system for managing and transferring enormous collections of data. Um, if you need to transfer a petabyte file, that's not necessarily a problem at all. It can transfer a billion files at a time, depending on, whether how you've structured your data. It is a very useful tool in scientific computing because the built-in Linux Unix commands SCP for the regular file copy between machines. It can't handle a petabyte file. If there's any interruption in midstream, you got to start over again. It's really designed to do one file at a time. You can give it short lists. Rsync built into Unix is better, but it's still not at the petabyte or billion file scale. It's just not that good. So what we're going to do in the next few minutes is we will download Globus Connect Personal, which is a tool that runs on our laptops for managing our personal local collection that we want to interoperate with the rest of Globus. We'll see how to install that, and we'll go through the basic use of it and get you a little taste for how it works. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is actually install it. Okay, so I've gone to globus.org/Globus Connect Personal. And on this page, I can scroll down a little bit and I can download. In my case, I need it for a Mac, as you can obviously tell. So I've clicked on Globus Connect Personal for Mac. There we go. Now, the directions pop up. I'm not going to read them to you. We're just going to kind of go through it. Download Globus Connect Personal. I need to log in to tell it um, who I am and that I'm a authorized academic user. This is a standard CI logon prompt. So this pull down has about 1,000, more than 1,000 institutions. Find yours in it. You don't have to scroll all day. You can type enough characters that it starts to match, and it'll zero in on that. Um, yes, my home institution is UNC Chapel Hill, so I'm going to select that one. Continue. Um, I have previously logged in, so it's already had my username and password were already there. Otherwise, it would prompt for, if you haven't used it, it'll prompt for your username and password. It's going to look exactly like how you would log into your library at your home institution. It's going to look exactly like that. So I'm going to download the GCP client. And once I've downloaded that, it's completed. I can click on it to open it. And all I need to do is take this Globus Connect Personal application, drag it into applications. This is just like anything else on a Mac. I hope I actually got it in there correctly. Um, let's make sure. Yep, Globus Connect Personal. It copied in. Okay. Um, I can get out of there. Don't need that window anymore. Now that it's installed, I can go through the rest of the instructions here. Um, let's see, I'm going to go ahead and run it. Yes, I downloaded it, but I actually do want to run it. going to start up here. All right, it's running. Good. So I can look up here in the menu bar. There's this, it's a black circle with a G in it. Means, that's Globus's background process. We can get to it from a toolbar. But the most normal way of doing this is web access. Go to globus.org. Make sure I am logged in. It knows I'm logged in, so there we go. In collections here, I can select which collection I want to deal with. These some of these are at chess, obviously the chess raw chess test. The one fascinating things is actually the name of a collection I created locally. And it, in fact, points at my home directory on this Mac. So things I have in here. Um, okay, so my projects directory, for instance. Um, if I want to move things back and forth, say between Cornell and my laptop, I'm using, if you look up here at panels, I'm using the two panel view, the one in the middle. I find it convenient. Um, Here at search, I have some of the normal ones that are already saved, some of the ones I use that are already saved. Or I can type things in there and it'll start to search. Um, Chess, auxiliary chess, current data, for instance. I'm going to use chess test just as a demonstration. And so it's going to tell me that, okay, I need to log into um, um, log into Globus at Cornell to tell it, yeah, okay, I'm an authorized chess user. I can look in there. So I'm going to tell it to log in as me. And there's my multi-factor approved. All right. And now I'm on this right side panel is the chess test collection. And there are a couple of directories. For instance, the directory large has a couple of 2 GB files if you need something to play with that has a little bit of size on it. For demonstration purposes, I'll stick to the directory with these little 21 byte files. I'll take c.txt and I'm going to copy it over into my collection on my laptop. Okay, so it has submitted the request and it will begin executing. And in fact, it's probably already done. Yeah, there it is. So that 21 byte file. It's a sort of a silly little demonstration to only copy 21 bytes using a tool that's designed for hundreds of terabytes to many petabytes. But, it gets the point across. It transfers, it automatically restarts if needed. It checks the integrity of the file after it's copied to make sure that, oh yeah, it actually did get copied correctly. Um, Very, very versatile tool. All right, so there's other ways that it can be used, but this is a very, very powerful tool um, for handling your data um, between your laptop and the chess facilities. If you need a little bit more help, if you go to globus.org, They have excellent documentation. You can go through there, find whatever you need to know. And also, don't forget, Google exists. If you search for Globus space and whatever your question is, um, yeah, it'll probably do it for you. All right. So that was a quick introduction to downloading, configuring, and using Globus. Um, and as you start to use it, I think you'll get pretty comfortable with it.